Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send gifts in Dota 2. In Dota 2, there's a restriction on gifting items to friends based on the length of your friendship. You need to be friends with someone on Steam for at least 30 days before you can send them gifts. So ensure you've been friends for at least 30 days before attempting to send a gift. To send your friend a gift, all you have to do is click on the sword and shield icon right here, which will open up your armory, and then click on all items and select the gift you want to send. For this example, I'm going to send this one to my friend. Right click on the item like so, and then click on gift wrap item. And select the friend you want to send the gift to, like so, and click on OK, and click on wrap gift. Click on yes. As you can see, my gift has been delivered now. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.